you're like me, you're having issues resizing your Photoshop file. So I'm in Photoshop and I want this to be a square document. But every time I try to resize it, I warp my image and every layer within it. This one just has one layer, but it would warp every layer if that were the case. So what I've been doing is going to image size, and then changing it. I want it to be a square and I want it to be 2000 by 2000. But when I do this, ooh, my mushrooms get all weird looking. Everything within this Photoshop file is now changed. All of the layers are now squished. So that's not what I needed to do. What I needed to do is go to image, canvas size, and that makes a lot more sense. That's going to just change the size of my canvas to 2000 and 2000, but not touch the layers within it. So if I do that, you'll get this notification that the canvas size is smaller than what I've got, so clipping will occur. And that is okay because I'm aware that these numbers are less. So I'm not going to have my whole image squeeze into this size, and that's okay. As you can see, the clipping has occurred. It's kind of just focusing on one area because it's smaller, which is fine. And now I can just scale up my image to fit. Whoop. And then I can pull in whatever location I want, wherever I want the image to be. So doing this is essentially like cropping your image, but you know exactly the dimensions you're cropping to, which for this was 2000 by 2000. So I find it useful and a little bit more precise than just cropping. And of course you can make it much larger. So if I go to image, oops, I have to let that image canvas size, and I go to 4000 by 4000, it'll be quite big, even bigger than the image I have, which is great too. Maybe I want to add some sky to this, and I still have the dimensions of the layer, the original dimensions, so nothing is warped. So that's how you change your canvas size in Photoshop. I was calling it image size, but it's really your canvas that you're changing. And I hope that this helped you guys and you have fun in Photoshop. I'll see you soon.